What if I told you that making money online in 2025 isn't just possible? It's easier than ever. Whether you're a college student, a 9-to-5 warrior, or just tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this video is your blueprint to financial freedom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down financial freedom strategies and passive income ideas for 2025. Today, I'm revealing the exact steps you can take to start earning online. Fast, smart, and sustainably. Let's kick off with side hustles that actually work. From freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to selling digital products on Gumroad, these are recession-proof income streams that scale with your effort. Next up, investing. If you're new to this, apps like Robinhood and M1 Finance make it easy to start with high dividend stocks and ETFs. These tools are perfect for investing for beginners in the USA. Want to earn while you sleep? Think affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and dividend investing. These passive income ideas for 2025 are scalable and low risk if done right. Here's the game changer: AI. Tools like Copilot and Clio help with budgeting hacks that work, track spending, and even suggest best finance apps for 2025 tailored to your goals. If you're serious about building wealth, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite strategy. Let's build your wealth building blueprint together.